Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. Holy mother of God, it has been a long time. Jesus, a lot has actually gone on in my life. You know, the past 3 weeks to a month has been insane. You know, we managed to get a $400,000 account on FTMO, max funding on the swing time, which is crazy. Video coming soon, obviously, on that. We also got a profit withdrawal from FTMO. Video will be coming soon on that as well. But here's a little sneak peek of the payout withdrawal. Crazy stuff. Honestly, VIP as well, over 400 members. Premium, which is another, you know, VIP service. It's another signal service where basically they get more trades. They get a few different trades. You know, it could be a scout trade. It's just different to VIP. You know, they're making P's already. We've had a break-even week, and then we finished this week on like -2 or 3% this week, purely because just unfortunate, you know, we had a wick out and then it just sold off. Yesterday, which was Friday, we had 2 trades which literally should have come in. Both TPs actually hit, but we got closed out for break even and an SL. It's just unfortunate trading, but we're gonna go again this week and hopefully get some nice profits. But up for the month, which is the main thing. Obviously, it's all about risk management, R2R. You've got to be trading consistently as well to be able to get the same results. It's difficult, you know, gold's volatile. No one's gonna say you're gonna get the same entries, that's facts. However, you've got to be, as a trader, good enough to know when to enter and not FOMO just because a signal gets sent. You know, check the price of entry for buyers or sells and try and get near. If not, set a buy limit or a sell limit, and then that could help. If you miss it, you miss it. At least it's not a loss in the end of the day if you miss that trade. And if it comes in, you know, and it's a win, but you didn't actually enter, then you can't be emotionally attached to that. You know, we go again. Don't take a trade you can't lose. That's facts. But this video is going to be explaining how we actually call sales at 1807, because obviously gold is on the yearly downtrend. So I'm going to show you a little analysis and my thoughts about the prediction of gold for next week. And yeah, this FTMO trade caught on my $400,000 account, shown here. £13,500 profit, which is approximately like $18,000. Crazy stuff. And it's just going to be a crazy analysis, and I'm just going to teach you so much in this video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Check out the Discord, the free Telegram, link in description. And of course, if you want to join the mentorship, which we got, where it's an FTMO course, loads of stuff about FTMO, what I've learned from my experience as a funded trader, crazy stuff in that. And obviously they get scout trades as well, so check that out, link in the description. It is a bot called TJFX. But without further ado, let's get into the video, baby. Your boy is now on the chart, 1833, which is circled right here. This is basically how I actually got the sales. We're going to go into the replay mode. 1807 was the sales, but we're just going to talk about 1833 area first. We'll pull it down here like this. Beautiful stuff. So when looking at gold, it's quite simple. You know, this is the hourly chart. I do use 15-minute time frame. I use the 5 minutes as well for my entries. I use the 1H, the 4H, and the daily, and I'm going to show you why you should actually use them. But on the yearly, obviously, daily downtrend, yearly downtrend, if you want to call it like that, from 2077 all the way down to this zone here. And obviously we have touched the 1676 area, not once, not twice, not 3 times, 4 times. Okay, so this is why gold is going to go off in the next few weeks, trust me. Looking at this trade, okay, at the 1833, we touch once. This is on the daily quickly. We touch once, touch twice, come all the way down, wicked out, back down to 1676, retested, and then made the re-highs back at 1833. And these highs here, it didn't break through because gold is on a yearly trend. It respected this as a top resistance, even on the 1H, I'll show you here, 1833. 1833 touched after the big wick out retest on this mainly daily support at the 1676. Price come all the way back up to retest 1833 area, which was the top previous resistance if you was to ignore all of this noise here before it dropped, because it touched once, touched twice, couldn't touch the 3rd time, into sells all the way down from 1833. Crazy pip drop. That was drawn an NFP as well. But we come up again after touching 1833 touch, can't break through structure. So then what happens? We start to sell off again. We touch down to the areas of 1783 of the previous lower highs. You know, as we saw it push up with the engulfing candle all the way up, made new highs, pulled back, couldn't break. So we're gonna count this area here as like a channel where you could actually trade in and out of this channel right here. And if I go to, if I actually play this right now for you guys on the actual sales that we got, is that you see where we made highs at the 1833, push all the way down bearish, right? Touch this area here. What happens? We push all the way up. It's in a channel right now. 1805, couldn't break, but it's wicked out a little bit. We're still in a channel. Nothing's happened, you know. The sellers can't take price down, but nothing's really happening, okay? This is all noise. This is when, like, you can trade gold, you know, in a zone, but looking at the breakout and the breakthrough of structure, you can get like 300 pips. Trading zones, you can get like 100. You know what I mean? Like if you look here, 1784, 1804. Edit this bit out, by the way. Let me just restart that. Edit this bit out, don't add this in. Okay, so I just want to show you this part here. I've just played it a bit. So with this trade, we've seen gold wick out at the top to 1805. And this is when, like, if you want to trade in the zone, this is when, like, you can gain this knowledge to help you trade. We wicked out here. That could be an easy sell. You know, we know we're not going to go long again because we're on the yearly trend. It's touched the top resistance, 1833. So you can get sells here at 1803. But that does not mean at 1803 it's going to break through a structure, okay? It's going to touch at least 3 times, 2-3 times. But we've seen it wick out of the channel zone, 1802. So now we're going to see it push down, all the way down, bearish to 1780. Previous lower high was 1782. It wicked out at 1780. Now we go long. In the same 1H, it wicked out downwards to 1780, then all the way up to 1797, which is 170 pips. Yes, the trade could have sold off here, but like I said, it's not going to sell off straight away. It needs to make at least a double top or a triple top, so you could get buys here. And now we know that we're going to still sell because the yearly trend is a sell. You're looking at this lower high here. First and foremost, this lower high here, 1802, which is why it actually wicked out, you know, the bottom of the previous lower highs right here from the push up on the bullish engulfing, 1824 breakout. We've retested here, sold off, pulled back up. We're going to see a bigger retest, which is when I actually caught the 1807 sells right here. As you can see, touched 1807. 1833 push down on the 1H. It stopped here at 1808. Previous push up from the bullish engulfing, from the breakthrough of structure, right here as well, 1808. It's funny how gold touches these points and then sells off. This is something that you should always look at when trading gold. And basically, after it touched there, because we know it's on the yearly downtrend, there was news as well, and it just sky plummets. It plummets bearish, and obviously when gold sells off, it dumps. When it goes long and goes bullish, it staggers. Okay, there's a difference. So now that gold is gonna, you know, plummet all the way down, probably to 1770, which was a target of mine personally. As I said, I closed the trade for £13,500. My psychology wasn't to hold it, but meaning this wick out up here to take out, collection of this previous push up, the high of it, and then boom, all the way down to the bottom of the support from when it bullish engulfed and up, pull back, collected 1770. That was my actual target. I think it's on TJFX Shorts. If you check at the description, go subscribe to that channel as well. I'll post up my VIP premium and mentorship trades on that YouTube channel. But yeah, it was a crazy trade. I wish I held it, because if I held it, you know, I would have made like 130 bags, which is like way over like the #1 withdrawal for FTMO. So that would have been insane. Didn't have the psychology to hold it, unfortunately, but £13,500 I would take, especially when I just passed the FTMO account. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanted to increase my profits so then I can actually have risk, just in case I have a bad week. Like this week, minus 3%. It doesn't matter so much to me because I'm in profit on this FTMO account, but this is what happens. And yeah, it was just a crazy trade. 1770 got hit, and it was just an insane trade. And this is basically how to actually trade gold. We know it's on a downtrend and all that good stuff. It's going to be interesting though within the next few weeks to see how gold moves. You know, we touched the 1676 area 3 times now down here, so it's going to be insane to see how it actually moves. Crazy trading. And yeah, just an insane trade. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Check out TJFX Shorts, the Discord, the free Telegram. If you want to get in mentorship, the VIP or the premium, go check it out on the bot. Crazy stuff, man. And I was going to get my car wrapped as well. Was going to get it wrapped rose gold, paid the deposit and everything, but then I decided not to because I didn't think rose gold would look good with a Mercedes C200. You know, I think I need a supercar. and to get a supercar I need to actually move out of this property so I can get a private drive so nothing happens to that. So hopefully good things to come with this FTMO account, and yeah, just blessed to be in this situation right now. You know, I've been on the grind for like the last like 5-6 years with trading, finally paying off. Much love and support. Take it easy guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.